Hey everyone, the Chinese market has just witnessed the release of Xiaomi's latest innovation in home cleaning technology, the Mijia H40 robot vacuum. Priced at 2,499 yuan or approximately $350, this advanced cleaning device will be available for pre-orders starting August 30. Packed with cutting-edge features, the Mijia H40 aims to revolutionize housekeeping by providing efficient, intelligent, and hassle-free cleaning solutions. At the core of the Mijia H40 is a powerful 6,000 Pascal suction fan, developed to tackle even the most stubborn dust and debris. Whether it's deep-seated dirt in carpets or dust hidden in floor cracks, the H40 is equipped to handle it with ease. This level of suction power ensures a thorough clean, making it an ideal choice for households with pets, kids, or just heavy foot traffic. One of the standout features of the Mijia H40 is its real-time anti-tangle primary brush. This specially developed brush cuts and gathers hair simultaneously, addressing the common issue of pet fur and hair tangling around the brush. Xiaomi has also redesigned the side axles to further reduce the likelihood of tangles, making maintenance easier and prolonging the life of the vacuum. The Mijia H40 offers users flexibility with 4 distinct cleaning modes. You can choose to sweep first, sweep and mop simultaneously, or simply opt for just sweeping or mopping. This versatility allows the vacuum to adapt to different cleaning needs and surfaces, ensuring optimal performance in every scenario. A notable feature of the Mijia H40 is its intelligent mop lifting capability. When the vacuum detects carpeted areas, the mop automatically rises to prevent it from becoming muddy or wet. This not only protects your carpets, but also helps maintain a clean and dry floor during the washing and drying cycles. The Mop Lift feature also reduces the risk of secondary contamination, keeping your floors spotless. The Mijia H40 is equipped with a 4 liters water tank and a compact base, allowing it to mop areas as large as 500 square meters on a single fill. The base also includes a self-cleaning mop system, which can be customized with different rinse frequencies and drying times. This feature ensures that the mop remains clean and odor-free, reducing the need for manual intervention. Xiaomi has integrated sophisticated sensing and navigation technologies into the Mijia H40. With 360 degrees laser scanning and millimeter-level obstacle avoidance, the vacuum can navigate your home with precision, ensuring no spot is missed and avoiding potential hazards along the way. The Mijia H40 can be easily controlled remotely via the Mijia app or through voice commands, using the Xiaomi smart speaker. Additionally, it supports Xiaomi's HyperOS Connect, allowing for seamless integration with other smart home devices. This connectivity makes managing your cleaning routines more convenient and tailored to your preferences. The Mijia H40 comes with a range of additional features developed to enhance convenience and safety. It includes a child lock for added security, a 700ml dust container for versatile dust collection, replaceable dust bags, and a compact base that fits effortlessly into various home environments. Xiaomi's Mijia H40 robot vacuum is a powerful, versatile, and intelligent cleaning solution that addresses common household cleaning challenges with ease. Its combination of strong suction, anti-tangle technology, intelligent mop lifting, and advanced navigation makes it a standout option in the crowded robot vacuum market. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, deep carpet dirt, or just everyday messes, the Mijia H40 promises to make keeping your home clean a breeze. I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.